have been making this frozen drink for a few weeks now, and then I thought to myself, why am I so stingy? Why I'm not sharing it here with you? It took me a while, I had to perfect it, but now it's the best drink, coffee drink, of course, that you'll ever have. And it's only 45 calorie. Yes, 45 calorie Frappucino. Can you imagine that? That's pretty awesome. I have it right now every single day. It fills me up, it satisfies my sweet tooth. Just perfect. And now my daughter, she stopped asking to go to Starbucks to get her Frappuccino because we have it at home. So let's grab the ingredients. Now, the most important ingredient here will be this syrup. This is actually what convinced me to try making caramel Frappuccino. Yeah, that caramel is the one we're gonna be making. It's my absolutely favorite one. And I actually came across in a store. I was intrigued, vanilla caramel cream. I said, I'll just give it a try. And I did. And this one is absolutely the best one. I have tried many different syrup flavors like vanilla, salted caramel. Nope. This skinny syrup, and I'm not advertising it, it's just the right flavor for me. I enjoy it a lot, and of course, like I always say, everybody has a different taste. So maybe caramel or salted caramel is your favorite one, or maybe just simple vanilla. Just go ahead and use the same recipe. Another ingredient that is extremely important, which I learned within the process, it's xanthan gum. Yeah, it sounds kind of sci-fi, out of this world, but it's a sort of starch that emulsifies coffee, and you just use just a little bit. Don't overdo it because it's gonna be a big mess, but it creates that perfect texture. The texture of ice actually, I would say, combining with the coffee mixture, with the syrup and everything else, instead of, I'm not sure if you've ever made a Frappuccino or a frozen drink when the ice actually kind of separates from the water and just it's very clumpy. The xanthan gum actually going to be emulsifying the liquids, so you're not going to have that effect. Let's start with brewing an espresso shot. No espresso machine, no problem. Just use any type of coffee you like. I'm gonna have here 1.5 ounces. And this is the longest step in the process. Now just combine all the ingredients, 3 ounces of milk, 1 ounce of vanilla caramel creme syrup, 1/8 of teaspoon of xanthan gum, pinch of salt, and 4.5 ounces of ice. Yes, you do have to be specific here. And combine all, ready to blend. The ratios are important so we reach the perfect consistency. Once you make it and try it yourself, you can adjust sweetness and thickness next time. This is my perfect consistency and flavor. And you may be a bit different, then that's perfectly fine. Blend it for 15 to 30 seconds on high, serve, and you can add toppings like whipping cream, caramel sauce. What's your favorite topic? Leave a comment below. Without any topic, you can have this Frappuccino every day and feel good about it. At 45 calories, it is a great everyday treat. Now enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.